XLNC. 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 XLNC Auto Beauty.
Hey, so I brought this car in to get it detailed. I have two 70-pound dogs that have just nastied this car up with all the dog hair and dirt from the trail, from the beach. It looked like there was no way anybody other than me could get into this car.
Joe, the story on this one is this gentleman is going to evict his dogs from his car. They're only going to get in on long trips. So we getting it back ready for the family, right?
Yep. I brought it in because we had enough of the dogs being in this car. Wanted the detail, make it look like brand new again. And we brought it into XLNC Auto Detailing. And Joe was the tech who worked on this, and it looks beautiful. It looks like the day we bought this car. I cannot believe they actually managed to clean it up this good. It is absolutely fantastic. It looks beautiful. It looks like the day we bought this car. I cannot believe they actually managed to clean it up this good. It is absolutely fantastic. XLNC Auto Beauty.
XLNC Auto Beauty.